Dear students, we are handling the topic complex numbers. Complex numbers objective level 2 homework is going on. In previous class we have discussed some problems, 16 to 27 problems we have discussed. Now let us going to discuss about from 27th question today. Question number 27. Twenty-seven also completed students. 28th question. 28th question, if z is any complex number such that modulus of 3z minus 2 plus modulus of 3z plus 2 is equal to 4, then what is the locus of z? You divide with 3, then you can write modulus of z minus 2 by 3 plus modulus of z plus 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Now you can understand this is of the form PA plus PB is equal to K, where PA plus PB is equal to K, where K is equal to AB in terms of Cartesian coordinates. In terms of complex coordinates, you can say z minus z1 plus z minus z2 is equal to some constant k. The distance between z1 minus z2 is equal to k, then it becomes ellipse. Now the difference between 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. You can understand the difference between 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to AB, that is nothing but k. Whenever 2 by 3 minus half minus 2 by 3 becoming this k 4 by 3, it is nothing but the locus is ellipse. We have discussed the formula in the conceptual teaching. So answer is ellipse here. Second option. Now maybe if k greater than AB, it is ellipse. If k is equal to AB, it is line segment, not ellipse. See the option 28th question, third option is there. It is not ellipse. If k greater than AB, it is ellipse. If k is equal to AB, k is a line segment, not ellipse. K is a line segment. So option 3. Now 29th question, the locus of z such that modulus of z plus 2i by 2z plus I over modulus less than 1 when z is equal to x plus I by. If he given or not given, you should try to understand as z is equal to x plus I by, where I is an iota, x plus I by is a complex number. That implies substitute instead of x, you should write x plus I by plus 2y by 2 into x plus I by plus I over modulus is less than 1. That implies write like this, x plus iota taken common y plus 2 by 2x plus, this is 2x plus iota taken common, this is 2y plus 1 over modulus less than 1, this one taken this side. So by modulus terminology, by squaring both sides, modulus meaning is root of component square plus component square. So here x square plus y plus 2 whole square less than, here this is 4x square plus 2y plus 1 whole square. That implies x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4 less than 4x square, less than 4x square plus 4y square, less than 4x square plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1. Those terms, these terms taken this side, you write here minus 3x square minus 3y square, of course 4y get cancelled, 1 taken this side, plus 3 less than 0 we got. If you multiply with minus 3, you can write here, this is x square plus y square minus 1 less than 0. Therefore, you can understand as x square plus y square less than 1. X square plus y square. Minus is there, no students, minus is there. So plus 1. So whenever you are changing the symbol, it becomes x square plus y square. This is x minus of, you write. Minus of x square plus y square minus 1 less than 0. So whenever you are multiplying with minus, you can write x square plus y square minus 1 greater than 0. It is x square plus y square greater than 1. You can go, no problem. No problem, you can go. Okay. Thirtieth question we have discussed in the conceptual teaching. 30th question completed. Now 31st question. 31st question, the values. The values of 1 plus I root 3 whole power 1 by 4. The values of 1 plus I root 3 whole power 1 by 4. Now you should multiply and divide with 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 4. That is equal to 2 power 1 by 4 into, this can be understood as cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Directly I am writing 6 pi by 3 whole power 1 by 4. Cos theta plus I sin whole power 1 by n formula is cos of theta plus 2k pi by n plus I sin of theta plus 2k pi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1 to so on and minus 1. So that is equal to 2 power 1 by 4 into, you can write as 6 of theta plus 2k pi by n. So pi by 3 plus 2k pi whole by 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. 0, 1, 2 until 3, because the formula k is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on and minus 1. Here 4 minus 1 becomes 3. That is equal to 2 power 1 by 4 into 6 of, take LCM, 3 2s are 6. And you can write here 6k plus 1 into pi by 12, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, you can write 6k plus 1 into pi by 12, it is 4th option. 31st question, 4th option. Directly you can write option 4. 32. All values of minus 64 whole power 1 by 4. Students, general notation of 64 whole power 1 by 4. For 64 cube root is there. For 64 square root is there. Square root is 8 and cube root is 4. But there is no proper 1 by 4 root. Now you can understand this one as 8 square. 8 square whole power 1 by 4 into, of course, minus 1 whole power 1 by 4. Minus 1 whole power 1 by 4. Write like this. 8 square can be understood as 2 root 2 whole square, because 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 becomes 8. So write like this, 2 root 2 power 4 by 4 into minus 1 power 1 by 4. Try to understand as cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 minus 1. 4 get cancelled. This is 2 root 2 into cos pi plus I sin pi, can be able to understand as 6 of pi plus 2k pi whole by 4. 6 of pi plus 2k pi whole by 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 2 root 2 into, apply here whenever you are substituting k is equal to 0, this is 6 pi by 4. 2 root 2 6 pi by 4 into 2 root 2 6 3 pi by 4 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 into 6. If you substitute here, 2, 2 to are 4 plus 1, 5. So 2 root 2, 6 5 pi by 4 and 2 root 2, 6 7 pi by 4. 2 root 2 into 6 7 pi by 4. That is equal to, now directly we can write that 6 pi by 4 becomes cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 and sin pi by 4 value also 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. It is 2 into, so now you can write it 2 into 1 plus I, first one. Next one, for cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2 and sin 135 is plus 1 by root 2. So that is 2 into minus 1 plus I. This one 5 pi by 4, both are negative, so minus 1 minus I. This is 7 pi by 4 means cos is positive and sin is negative, so this is 1 minus I. So values you can write as, values is equal to, whenever you are taking common within the brackets, you can write as plus or minus 1 plus I. 2 into plus or minus 1 plus I. This is question, yeah, plus or minus 2 into plus or minus 1 plus I. Here it is, third option is there. Yeah, 32nd question, third option. Now 33rd question, in concept we have completed, 34th also completed, 35th also completed. Let us go ahead and discuss about 36th one. 36th question, if alpha is equal to cos 8 pi by 11 plus I say 8 pi by 11, alpha is equal to cos 8 pi by 11 plus I sin 8 pi by 11. Alpha is equal to cos 8 pi by 11 plus I sin 8 pi by 11. Then you need to calculate the real of alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 plus alpha power 5 equal to dash. Formula, the concept we can write real z. Real z is equal to z plus z bar by 2. Z is equal to x plus I by and z bar is equal to x minus I by. X plus I by plus x minus I by becomes only 2z, 2z by 2 becomes x, that is real z. That implies real of alpha. Now if you write here real alpha plus everything complex number he is discussing with us, alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 plus alpha power 5, everything you can consider as a z. That can be understood as 1 by 2 you take common and you write in the similar way alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 plus alpha power 5. Alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus, okay. Now the whole bar you can take alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 plus alpha power 5 whole bar. 1 by 2 I have taken common, no need to write the number. Whole bar you take, that is whole bar, that is equal to, because this is given in the form of cis theta. Alpha is equal to cos 8 pi by 11 plus I say 8 pi by 11 can be understood as this is the 11th roots of unity. So cis of theta plus 2k pi by n concept. So 1 by 1 whole power n. So until 10 we should get, of course we will be getting. Whenever like this concept, if for nth roots of unity 1 power 1 by 3, if omega is a root, then omega square is also other root. We conclude that 1 by omega is nothing but omega square. 1 by omega is can be understood as omega cube by omega, so omega square is also root. So now you can understand omega bar is nothing but omega square and omega square bar is nothing but omega. So alpha plus, you can write now alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 plus alpha power 5 plus. For each and everything I am eliminating the bar. It means it is 1 by alpha. It is 1 by alpha square. It is 1 by alpha cube. It is 1 by alpha power 4. So this is at last 1 by alpha power 5. That can be written as 1 by 2 into. Now among all these terms, alpha power 5 is the LCM. Multiply with alpha power 5, it becomes alpha square plus alpha power 7 plus alpha power 8 plus alpha power 9 plus alpha power 10 plus this is alpha power 4, because total LCM I am discussing with you, plus this is alpha cube plus this is alpha square, this is alpha plus 1 whole by alpha power 5 whole by alpha power 5, that is equal to, write like this, 1 by 2 into alpha power 5, 1 by 2 into alpha power 5 into, in order you write students, 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube, 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 5 plus alpha power 5 is not at all there in these terms, but I am adding and subtracting. Alpha power 5 plus alpha power 6 plus alpha power 7 plus alpha power 8 plus alpha power 9 plus alpha power 10 overall minus alpha power 5. Now you can understand these are the, this one power 11 is there, no? Power 11 means this can be understood as 1 power 1 by 11 concept. The concept is like that. So for 1 power 1 by n, summation of 1 plus alpha square plus so on alpha power n minus 1 is 0. So the total value is 0. You can write 1 by 2 power alpha power 5 into 0 minus alpha power 5. Write like this, minus alpha power 5 by 2 alpha power 5. Alpha power 5 get cancelled. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is here second option. Now we have discussed, that is 7 also we did not discuss. Seventh question. If alpha not equal to 1 be any nth roots of unity, so alpha power n is equal to 1 nth roots of unity. Yes, let S is equal to, maybe we said same as worked example 28 I said written here, so maybe we discussed this one. Worked example 28. Whenever we have discussed worked example 28, automatically I said, yeah, I said the question as worked example 28. So 37 completed. 38 also I said, of course power 1 by 5 is there, 2 pi by 5 directly you can write. 39 numerator becomes minus 2 omega square and denominator becomes minus 2 omega. You can use the shortcut. 39 already completed. Now 40th question. 40th question, if PQ are distinct cube roots of complex numbers and ABC are complex numbers such that AP plus BQ plus C are not equal to 0. So don't bother about all the conditions. Write like this, AQ plus BR plus CP, AQ plus BR plus CP into AR plus BP plus CQ whole by AP plus BQ plus CR whole square. Let the shortcut is P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to omega and R is equal to omega square. Apply here, this is A omega plus this is B omega square plus C into here, this is A omega square plus this is B plus this is C omega whole by, this can be written as A plus b omega plus c omega square whole square total overall. Yeah, this is c omega square whole square. Omega square whole square. According to denominator, now you can take common omega because simply a is there. Here you can take common omega square. In numerator, take omega as common. So it is becoming a plus b omega plus c omega square. Here you take common omega square. So you can write here a plus, this can be understood as b omega cube. Whenever omega square taken common, you can write omega here. This can be understood as omega power 4. So omega power 4 becomes omega. Omega square taken common, here it becomes in the similar way. A plus b omega here in the denominator. A plus b omega plus c omega square whole square total. Try to understand this one and this one get cancelled. Omega into omega square becomes omega cube. It is 1. So 1 here, first option. Now 41 question. 41st question. If omega is a complex root of unity, then is asking x plus 1 into x plus omega. X plus 1 into x plus omega into x minus omega minus 1. Now we can apply here x plus 1 into x plus omega into x plus omega square, because minus of omega plus 1 becomes omega square. Now according to our theory of equations concept, x minus alpha and x minus beta and x minus gamma can be understood as x cube minus of x into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus alpha beta gamma. So now you can write x cube minus of, there is no minus, for everything it is plus. So plus x cube plus x square into 1 plus omega square plus x into 1 plus omega plus, it's 0, plus x into 1 into omega, like this you can write. 1 into omega plus omega square into omega plus omega into omega square. Omega square into omega completed, so omega square into 1. At last plus 1 into omega square. So this is 0. This is also 0. 1 plus omega plus 1 into omega square into omega means omega cube plus omega square. 1 plus omega square, total concept is 0. This is 0 and this is also 0. So what is the value at last we got? Simply x cube plus 1. Now 42nd question. Second question. If z plus 1 by z is equal to 1, z plus 1 by z is equal to 1, that implies z power 4 plus 1 by z power 4 equal to dash. Students, you can understand here z is equal to minus omega and 1 by z is equal to minus omega square. Because 1 plus omega square equal to 0, you can understand directly 1 by minus omega plus minus omega square. So apply here. This is minus omega power 4 plus this is minus omega square whole power 4. Minus 1 power 4 taken common. So omega power 4 plus omega square, this is 1. So answer minus 1. Answer minus 1, 42nd, second option. Now 45th one. 43rd one. Determinant of x plus 1 omega square omega x plus omega square 1. This is omega square 1 x plus omega equal to 0. Then of course it is 0, no need to calculate, shortcut directly you can put 43. This is IPE question in matrices in first year. Determinant first question, exercise 3C, maybe 3D. X is equal to 0, then you get 0, directly you can write the temperature delta equal to 0. Because whenever x equal to 0, 1 omega, omega square, omega, 1 omega square, 1 omega square, 1 omega, R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, or C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, you will get 0, 0, 0 whenever one row or one column is 0, delta equal to 0, directly you can write x equal to 0, fourth option. Now 44th question. 44th question, the value of sigma n is equal to 1 to 5. Value of sigma n is equal to 1 to 5. X power n plus 1 by x power whole square. Where x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So you can understand x is equal to minus omega comma minus omega square. Minus omega comma minus omega square. So 1 by x power n. Substitute here. Apply the sigma. X plus 1 by x whole square. Like this. Plus x square plus 1 by x square whole square. Plus x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 whole square. Like this. Next one, x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 whole square. Like that, sigma summation we have applied. That is equal to, what is the value of x here? Minus omega. Of course, roots are x comma 1 by x you can write. Because x is equal to minus omega, 1 by x becomes 1 by minus omega, omega cube by minus omega becomes minus omega square. X comma 1 by x you can write. X comma 1 by x equal to minus omega comma minus omega square. Right, like this. Minus omega minus omega square whole square. Plus omega square becomes minus omega square becomes omega. Minus omega whole square becomes omega square. Plus 1 by omega square whole square. This is x square meaning omega power 4. Of course it is omega. Omega power 4 becomes it is omega total whole square. Plus minus omega cube minus 1. Minus 1 becomes minus 2 whole square. This is minus 2 whole square. Next in the concept minus omega power 4 minus, this is also minus omega square whole square concept. Plus this is also omega square plus omega whole power minus omega power 5. So minus omega square concept. This is minus omega power 4 plus omega square concept. This is minus omega square minus omega. We know that minus of omega plus omega square formula minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means 1. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, this is 4 plus 1 plus 1. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Yes, first option. Answer is 8. Next, 45th question. Fifth question. If a comma b comma c are the roots of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 26 equal to 0, given cubic equation. Given cubic equation is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 26 equal to 0. A comma B comma C are roots of its, and omega is the root of the unity. Now you can understand this one as x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 plus 27 equal to 0. That implies this is of the form a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So write here x minus 1 whole cube. This is full x minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 27. That implies you can write x minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 3 whole cube. So x minus 1 you can understand minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into 3. Minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 we are having cube roots. So 3 into 1 comma 3 into omega comma 3 into 1 comma 3 into omega comma 3 into omega square. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 3 4 b. So a is this and 1 plus 3 omega. This is simply 3x minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 3 whole cube. Minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 minus omega. This is minus 3 omega square. So minus 1 plus 3 becomes minus 2 and 1 minus 3 omega and 1 minus 3 omega square. 1 minus 3 omega square is there. Therefore roots you can understand. You put the name for the roots as A, B, C. So for cubic equation A is equal to 2. B is equal to 1 minus 3 omega. C is equal to 1 minus 3 omega square. 1 minus 3 omega square. Now A minus 1 meaning this is minus 2 students. So this is minus 2. A minus 1 becomes minus 3. B minus 1 becomes minus 3 omega. C minus 1 becomes minus 3 omega square. Now you write to find out A minus 1 by B minus 1 plus B minus 1 by C minus 1 plus C minus 1 by A minus 1. A minus 1 by B minus 1 plus B minus 1 by C minus 1 plus C minus 1 by A minus 1. Here A minus 1 becomes minus 3. Minus 3 by minus 3 omega and B minus 1 means minus 3 omega. Minus 3 omega by minus 3 omega square. Plus C minus 1. C minus 1 means minus 3 omega square. So this is minus 3 omega square by minus 3. Minus and minus of 3, everything it cancels. Now 1 by omega can be understood as omega square. Omega by omega square, you can understand omega power 4 by omega square. It is also omega square. Of course this is omega square. So total 3 omega square we got. 3 into omega square is option 2 here. 3 omega square is option 2. Okay students, successfully you have completed level 2 homework. Let us going to discuss the level 3 in next class.